Okie dokie. Back again. Just ran our make install on core utils. Check out no errors. Clear. Need to move a couple of these things out of the way. User bin. Need to move cat ch group. Change mod. Chown. Copy. Date. dd. df. Echo. All to bin. Move user bin cat change group change mod. Chown copy date. dd df and echo to bin. Now we need to move user bin false link list make dir make node move present directory and remove to bin. False link list make dir make node move make dir make node move present working directory and remove to bin. Okay. And we need to remove dir stty sync true uname test and open bracket all to bin. Okay. Move user bin ch root to user s bin. Move user share man 1 ch root 1 to user share man 8 ch root dot 8. And set I S. We want to replace escape out 1 escape double / escape double 8 escape double pop out 1 user share man 8 ch root 8. Let's go through some weird let's talk weird for a second here. As they said stp double 1 escape double stp double 1 escape double. Okay. tp double 8 escape double pop 1 escape double pop 1. Okay. And user share man 8 ch root 8. Okay. Some of the scripts in LFS boot scripts package depend on head and sleep and nice, as user may not be available during the early stages of booting. Those binaries need to be on the root partition. Let's say move user bin head sleep nice to bin. Good. Contents of core utils, all the good stuff. All of our good stuff. ID, join, everything. OD dumps files and oct on other formats. I did not know that. Maybe I should look into those. I wonder if that's like a hex dump. Okay, core utils is done. Remove quills. tar xvf. Iona. CD into Iona. Nothing to do here but make and make install. And onto M4. Clear. Remove verbose Iona. Clear, and we'll say tar xvf M4. CD into M4. Configure. Prefix equals user. Make and make install should be okay for M4. SPUs, 0.4 SPUs. And flex. I can actually start to do my little magic with history. See if I get prefix equals user and make installs on nice run. See what happens. And see if I can do that. The white on black is kind of, I like it, it's okay. Make and make install. Don't want to go cliche with green on black. I already have a video with green on black. I don't have anything with orange on black though. Or black on orange. I should do a few videos like that. Maybe in LFS 7. I don't know. Have to see how it looks on the screen recorder. Okay, M4 is done. On to flex. And of course we can't just get a good run out of it, huh? First, skip running 3 regression tests that require Bison. Set IE. Replace tests or test Bison. Pop out D and test makefile dot and dot run configure prefix equals user doc dir is equal to user share doc flex 2.5.38. Make, let me say make install. And there's a small configuration file to run, or make, or create, I should say. And after that, we're good to go. Make install. And what's after Flex? Bison. Bison's a nice sized one. Make install, clear, cat into user bin Flex. EOF. Shebang bin bash, or bin sh, I'm sorry. We'll just say begin right here. exec user bin flex dash L. Let's say $@ at. Okay. And here we'll just say end. EOF. Change mod. Propose 755 user bin flex. On to Bison. Actually, Bison's not as much as I thought it was. Remove flex. Or XVF Bison. .run. Let's see if we can do this. History grep4 .run config. Wow, look at all them configures we ran. Prefix equals user. Do 599. Not 599. Make install. So make install should be about, what is it, 600? It's only 0.3 SPUs, and to test is about 0.5 SPUs. So. And it's not a mandatory check. Not very many things we can screw up now, except for syntax, misspellings, and stuff like that. Actually, one of the smoother installs I've had so far. Let's see how smooth it is after we get done these last 30 packages and this thing boots. It's always a hairy moment when the boot comes. Doesn't matter if I'm installing it for myself to have or make a tutorial. It's always a hairy moment, because that's what will free me up from a week or so of constantly going over this and constantly redoing it, trying to work out all the bugs, trying to specify where the highlights are. I do a few dry runs. I try to get at least 3 going without any bugs. That's what I do. 599. Now if I say history, and let me say grep 600. Oh, 600 was clear. How about 601? 601. 599 is 601, not 601. Make install. Try to get all the bugs out. Try to get at least 3 in a row down. And on this one, I made a lot of mistakes before making a video, just grammar errors, and I just really wasn't into it. I mean, it's kind of the same. I really like my LFS 7.3. I really took it way beyond where I thought I was going to take it. And I used it for you know, as my main OS for a long time, and I still do. I've been on a graphical for a little bit now, at least maybe 2 months or something like that, but ever since I made my LFS 7.3, that's all I've run, and it's great. It's great. Always installing packages and figuring out stuff, and I screwed one up. But you know, make my clones, go back to a save point, and it's just super. Jump back up, remove Bison, tar, XVF, grep, CD into grep. Oh, I can't get away with it. Dot run configure, prefix equals user, bin dir equals bin. 601, I think it was. Yeah, I really wasn't enthused about this one. It's about the same. Not much has changed. Matter of fact, I think 2 packages that we got that have changed since 7.3 was BC, which is a basic calculator, which is extremely large to install from BLFS package, and I don't know why. Extremely large. It's a basic calculator, right? But, and another thing we got in 7.5 was iNet utils. Yeah. It was actually a big plus. And I hope maybe in later versions they'll include something like iNet utils, and we like to see something like wireless tools. You know, you got your WPA supplicant, DH client. Actually, I don't know if DH client's in that. It'd be nice to see wireless tools included for those users who need wireless right off the bat. Make install. But it would be nice to see that. But then again, you kind of don't want to pack too many things into the initial build. You know, basic calculator, okay, because later on programs need those. iNet tools, you know, it comes with ifconfig and everything else like that. Before 7.3, there was make install. There was no ifconfig yet. Let's see. Remove grep. Tar XVF readline. CD into readline. Before 7.3 there was no, I got these things here. There was no iNet tools, ifconfig, and netstat, and everything else like that. And it was, you had to go search into BLFS to go get that. So it's kind of nice to see that. You know, they are kind of standard programs. Then again, though, you really don't want to smash a whole bunch of programs into the basic install, because you just really want to get this thing up and running. Keep it as small as possible just to get it going. So we need to replace seti move.all old, pop out the makefile.m. Seti replace encapsulate old stuff, not stuff. See, stop. Support shlib install. patch mp1-i read line fixes to patch dot run configure prefix equals user okay. Then we'll make shlibs on curses and almost done. But like I was saying, you really don't want to smash a lot of stuff into a package or into the basic install. shlibs shlib underscore libs equals ln curses. Almost did a boo-boo. Okay. And we can run make install after that. But just to, I mean, you know, even keep it small, keep it tight. But you know, by them not having wireless tools involved, hey, it's good we have ifconfig. Yeah, you can get a basic system up and running a lot easier than you can with how it used to be. Alright, so now let's say move the dynamic libraries to a more appropriate location and fix up some symbolic symlinks. User lib encapsulate read line history so all libs, or just lib, straight lib. Move user lib read line history .so .all to lib. Okay. Link symbolic force verbose. Back up twice. Lib / $ encapsulate read link user lib read line .so to user lib read line .so. Okay. And let's say lib history here. Watch that double dot. Lib history .so. Okay. If desired, install the documentation. Make directory verbose user share doc read line -6.2. Install verbose mode 644 doc all .ps postscript PDF HTML DVI user share doc read line 6.2. Install doc all PS PDF HTML DVI user share doc read line 6.2. Good, read line's done. On to bash. Remove read line. XVF bash. bash. First we have to apply a patch np1-i bash 4.2 fixes patch. Scratch stitching. That was great. And let's say .run configure prefix equals user bin directory equals bin HTML dir is going to equal user share doc bash 4.2 without bash memory allocation with installed read line. Good. How many SBUs? No, 1.7. Let's say make install. .7 SPUs. That'll be a little bit of time. Run the make install to this, and then I'll cut the video. Good to go. I don't remember how many packages LFS 7.5 had. I do think it's very, very close, with the exception, like I said, of BC, inet utils. Some syntax is a little different. Well, not much different, really, no. They're very, very similar. Very similar. But a lot of people don't like to install old stuff. They consider something that's last year as old, and they like to stay away from it. And it's up to them. So, that's done. Make install. Let just burn off for a little bit. Where am I at? Gee, I don't know, 6.33. And I'll pick it up in the next one.